Hello, Dexxlan here. Welcome to the channel. In this video, I'm going to be going over the ROG backplate for your Steam Deck. You can find this link in the description if you like. If you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. So let's jump in this video with an unboxing. Comes with a few things, like the backplate itself with the grips. A little bit of a user's guide, a manual, warranty, charging dock, charging cable, back triggers, finger condoms, screwdriver, and a pry tool is also provided in this. So give me a few seconds here to get everything out of the box. And there's also diagrams on the screws, so you can follow those step by step very easily. This is a 1 out of 10 for difficulty. So really no worries about messing up the Steam Deck if you're new to this. So one of the first times, second times opening it up on this Steam Deck. Once you get it, just pops right off, no problem whatsoever. Now that that's done, let's set that aside and we're going to get the actual product itself. Ready, I'm going to remove this. And make sure we remove that sticker, don't want overheating issues. And we'll also remove the sticker off of the RGB charging port itself, and we just snap that on in. Very easy, nothing to it at all, very easy. And once that's done, we just screw it back in and we can go there. Now it will be a bit different if you want to change the back buttons. There is another video about that on my from the Jsaux backplate video itself if you want to know how to do that. Well, now that that's over with, if you like this video, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. I'd appreciate that. And let me know if there's anything else you'd like to see. Thanks again for tuning in. I hope you enjoyed.